ಬಂದಿದೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಹಿರಿಯರೇ ಇತರ ರಾಜ ರಾಣಿ, ಹತ್ತೋಣ ನಾವು ಅವರ ನೆನಪಿನ ದೋಣಿ, ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ, ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಖುಷಿ ಪಡೋಣ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿ. ಇದು ಹಿರಿಯರ ಕತೆ ಹಿರಿಯರ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹಿರಿಯರ ವಾಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇರಿ, ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ. Hello listeners, this is your RJ Chandana and I welcome you all to Anubhav, a joint project of National Institute of Social Defence, Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India and Media for Community Foundation, implemented by Nightingales Medical Trust. Project conceived by Dr. R. Sridhar, Project Investigator Alok Verma, Coordinators Pooja Murada, Sai Sudha, Kaushalya. Government of India has initiated an elder line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any questions, queries and support to elderly.
So here I have Mr. K.L. Rao, who is going to talk about senior suggesting finance minister for ensuing union budget. So it's over to Mr. K.L. Rao.
Today, I would like to talk about seniors issues. I might have talked earlier also, but again a season has come. That means budget to be presented in Parliament by the Finance Minister within few months. So now, public is supposed to suggest the Union Finance Minister various aspects of life, how she can take those points into consideration for preparing the budget. So, seniors have a big problem. What is that? Normally, they retire from their services or business. Now they depend on the interest paid by the banks on their deposits. But the rate of interest on bank deposits is all-time low at 5 point something. Earlier, it was there more than 12%. So, the income earned by way of interest on bank deposits is far less than 50% of what they used to get earlier. At the same time, what seniors have to spend on their any commodity or any service, that is high, skyrocketing. So, what happens? Income is reduced and it is less than 50%, and expenditure is far more than what it used to be. So there is a gulf of difference, there is a gap. How to bridge this gap? It's very difficult. So nobody is imagining, thinking, visualizing this particular difficulty of the seniors. So now I would like to suggest the finance minister for preparing her budget well in advance a few points where she can make some relief, arrange some relief to the seniors, though not fully. What is that? Number one, rate of interest on deposits, bank deposits to seniors is to be fixed at least at 8%. That is one point to be made, considered. Number two, seniors are unable to pay health insurance premium because the premium is high and also the tax GST is also high, both. So how to tackle this issue? Number one, government has to reduce GST from 18% to 0% or make it a nominal, say 3%. This is how GST can be reduced, the burden on GST. Next, on the premium, how to reduce the premium? I have a suggestion, that is, health insurance companies pay hospital bill to the person who claims. Then, apart from this, 1 month before getting admitted into hospital, medical expenses, and after discharge 2 months medicines expenditure, is reimbursed by the insurance company. So now I tell the insurance companies or the chairman, Debashish Panda of the insurance advisory, that let them pay only health insurance premium. Let them pay only hospital bill, not this 1 month in advance, 2 months later on, those bills. So, by reducing the payment by the insurance company to the senior citizen, the premium can be reduced considerably. This is a suggestion from my side. So, this suggestion has sent to Chairman Debashish Panda and also Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharamanji. So, this one. Then next, one more point I have got in mind, that is the income tax exemption limit of 3 lakhs may be enhanced to 4 lakhs for seniors. I repeat, income tax exemption limit fixed for senior citizens is 3 lakhs as of now. It can be increased to enhance it to 4 lakhs. So I have given 3 suggestions, and I wish the way I have sent, elders also can send. I preferably by email or postcard. Why postcard? Because you will limit the content, number 1. Number 2, they need not open the letter. These are the 2 points why I say postcard. Otherwise, email also. So, unless we suggest the government, we cannot expect anything from the government to do. Our suggestions help the government to do. Then, one more thing about seniors. Normally, we see old age homes where all the inmates are old people, elderly people. But I am of the opinion that in an elderly home or old age home, only elders, apart from elders, there may be persons of other ages, young people or teenagers, etc., so that each can help others. See, elders can help the children or teenagers in teaching them. Okay? Same way, the so-called teenagers can help the elders, and so also people who are young. So, how to do this? This is the question of, at a particular place, people being alone and there is nobody else. That is, I call it loose electrons. So they are alone. They don't have other family members. So those loose electrons we have to identify. Then we have to keep them together in a particular building. Let us say, take a 3-bedroom house, flat, or 2-bedroom flat. There, apart from elders, members of other age group also should be there, so that each category can depend on the others. Teenagers and young people can have guidance from the elderly people can have the support of teenagers and young people. This is a family by human bond, though not blood relationship. This may be proved to be better than normal, regular family environment, possibly. It is a question of trialing. But I have seen one in Srikakulam, Andhra Pradesh, where an old age home and orphanage both are located in the same campus. Then both are happy. I am getting the feedback from them. Elders are happy spending with the teenagers and children and teaching them, guiding them, and the teenagers and children always see a grandfather, grandmother in the elders. So this is nice, but also I need one more community, that is youngsters or grown-ups. So all 3 types, children or teenagers, young or grown-ups, 3 seniors and elders. All 3 communities in the same campus will be the best answer. This is what I can say. So these are few points I just shared with you regarding seniors.
Thank you so much, sir, for your wonderful talk. We really liked it. Thank you once again. Listeners, I hope you too have listened to the program. Stay tuned to Hira Ravani for more such interesting programs. Government of India has initiated Elder Line toll-free number 14567. Elders or anyone on behalf of elders can call between morning 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for any question, queries and support to elderly. Bye for now. Take care.